Good morning, portfolio students. This is a brief tutorial on how to upload your works for submission for the high school portfolio submission process. Okay, now, first thing you want to do is take pictures of all of your work. There are videos posted regarding how to take pictures of your work and how to upload them to the Google Drive. This is the second portion of the tutorial. First, click New. We're going to create a new folder. We are going to title that folder with our name. So my first name is Lauren. My last name is Huckle. I'm going to create that folder. Okay. I am going to take my pictures. Okay. Your pictures must be labeled specifically. So here it just says IMG 4191 JPEG. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to rename it. They must be renamed according to the piece requested on the portfolio. So this picture of Ferdinand, this is for my anatomy submission. So I'm going to label this anatomy. I'm going to drag this up to my folder. Okay. Then I'm going to click the folder, and right up here, I'm going to get a shareable link. Link sharing is on. This means that anyone at Hamilton Township School District with the link can view. Okay, that's super important because there are people that are going to be viewing this other than myself. The high school teachers will be judging your portfolios. After that, you're just going to copy the link. You're going to email the link to me. Send. And that's it. Spelling error. All right, thanks guys. Let me know if you have any questions.